I love the concept of themes, so why not theme shortcuts? As far as I'm concerned, Microsoft Word established the concept of theme shortcuts because of the way they designed headings. Think about it. Alt Control 1 is heading 1, Alt Control 2 is heading 2, and Alt Control 3, of course, is heading 3. My shortcut keyboard system is only expanding that concept. This is the help menu for the shortcut keyboard system I designed. From this menu, you can instantly change your shortcut keyboard theme from a single space theme to a double space theme, which you will see later in the demonstration. The three major themes start with heading. Body text is the next level, which is Alt 1 through 7, and finally, body text first line indent, which is Control plus 1 through 7. The minor levels are accessed by holding down the Shift key and pressing 1 through 7, just like the major levels. The minor theme for indent is double indent, which is indenting both the right and left-hand margin. All of these combinations are wonderful because of how many different types of formatting you can apply without having to think of styles. The single-space shortcut keyboard has around 50 formats which are anchored by headings 1 through 7. I do plan to expand the ability for the users to more freely choose their minor themes like hang and indent. As a trainer who enjoys one-on-one training, I really don't like to focus on styles, but other things, like direct formatting using the Control 0 to toggle before text, and in many cases I write a macro for Alt 0, which toggles the after text, so my users always had a way to adjust the before and after text of any paragraph. Let's add some pleating paper and a pleating numbering scheme to this document so I can demonstrate my theme shortcut keyboard for double spacing and pleating paper. The double spacing or litigation keyboard is really sweet because the major themes of body text and indented text are double spaced. All you need to do is add the Shift key to get the single space version of the major theme. Here's body text and body text first line indent, which is Control 2. Now, let me go ahead and press Alt Control 1 to apply heading 1. Let's move down and select the next two paragraphs and apply single spacing with indent using Shift Alt 2. Let me make this paragraph heading 2. Let's indent the paragraph below. Remember, we used Shift Alt 2 before, and so let's try Shift Alt 3 to move it over and tuck it in nicely under the heading. You see, it's just a matter of playing and guessing. If you guess wrong, you try a different keystroke. It's much easier to play and guess so you don't have to think about how to format that paragraph, and you can really focus on what you are doing. The most important thing is that your fingers are not leaving the home row and you are not focusing too much on how to format. Now you can do it with just a couple of educated guesses, and soon after, with a little practice, you will soon have the confidence of being able to concentrate on what you are writing. Thank you very much for taking the time to review my utilities. Have a nice day.